Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Hope everyone is fine out there. Today we'll doing a new topic, that is from English grammar. Topic 4, letters and words. So, can anyone tell me what is this letters here? What is this? Yes, it is A, B, C, D. This is all called letters, alphabet. And what is the word here? Students, whenever we join a letters to frame something, that is called words. ओके स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज़ योर लेटर मीन्स? लेटर्स वो है जो ए बी सी डी है, एंड वर्ड्स क्या है? वर्ड्स वो है जो हम लेटर्स को ज्वाइन करके एक चीज़ बनाते हैं तो उनको वो वर्ड्स बोले जाते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट हियर. मूविंग टू दी एक्सरसाइज. Write the first letter of the words below each picture. What we have to do? We have to write the first letter of the words. Whatever the words are given here, we have to write only the first letter. Join the letters to get the names of the vehicles. What we have to do? We have to join all the letters to get the name of the vehicles. Okay student, what we have to do? हमको कोई भी word दिया गया है तो उनका हमें सिर्फ only first letter लिखना है. ओके, फर्स्ट लेटर लिखेंगे सब पिक्चर्स का, देन हम वो ऐड करते जाएंगे लेटर्स तो हमें एक वर्ड मिलेगा, लेकिन वो वर्ड क्या रहेंगे? व्हीकल्स के नेम रहेंगे. ओके, सो मूविंग टू दी फर्स्ट वन, कैट. व्हाट इज दिस? कैट. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द कैट? C. So we'll write here C. What is the second one? Apple. So what is the first letter of the apple? A. So we'll write here A. What is the third one? The third one is rabbit. What is the first letter of a rabbit? R. So we'll write here R. When we put together, when we add together all this letter, we'll get a word here. We'll see. We'll write here C. Then what is here? A. Then what is the third one? R. Which word we get? We get car. Okay students, by joining all the letters we get a word that is called car. Moving to the second. What is this? This is balloon. What is the first letter of the balloon here? B. We'll write here B. What is this? This is umbrella. What is the first letter of our umbrella? U. We'll write here U. What is this? This is sun. What is the spelling of a sun? S-U-N, sun. What is the first letter of a sun? This is S. We'll write here S. Okay students, what we have written? S. हमने बलून का फर्स्ट लेटर का वर्ड लिया है तो हमने इधर B लिखे, तो we will write here B. अम्ब्रेला का U था तो हमने इधर लेटर लिख दिए U. ओके, सन का फर्स्ट लेटर था S. सो विल राइट हियर S. हमको ये सब लेटर्स हमने ज्वाइन किए, ऐड किए, तो हमें क्या मिला वर्ड? बस. BUS, बस. ओके, व्हीकल का नेम है तो हमें क्या बन के मिला? ये बस. मूविंग टू दी थर्ड वन. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज स्पैरो. सो सिंपल. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ दिस स्पैरो? S. हम इधर S लिख देंगे. फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है स्पैरो का? S. व्हाट इज द सेकेंड? दिस इज हाउस. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ अ हाउस? H. वेरी गुड, यू ऑल आर ट्राइंग. What is the third one? This is ink pot. What is this? Ink pot. What is the first letter of a ink pot? पहला लेटर क्या है ink pot का राइट किया हुआ? देखो, yes, I. तो यहाँ पर हम I लिख देंगे. What is the next one? Pen. What is the spelling of a pen? P-E-N, pen. तो हमें फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है पेन का? What is the first letter? P. Okay. So when we join all the letters, when we add all the letters, we will get a new word. So हम यहाँ पर लिख लेते हैं सब letters. फर्स्ट लेटर क्या था? एस, तो हम इधर एस लिख देंगे. देन एच, वेरी गुड. देन द थर्ड वन आई. Then the fourth one, P. Yes, we get a word. What is this word called? Ship. And ship is a vehicle. Okay. So, what is the spelling of a ship? S-H-I-P. Ship. Moving to the fourth one. What is this? This is biscuit. What is the first letter of a biscuit? पहला letter क्या है? B. What is this? Owl. What is the first letter? पहला letter क्या है? O. So what is this? Arrow. पहला letter क्या है? A. Telephone. What is the first letter? पहला letter क्या है? T. When we join all these words, see all these letters, what we get here? We'll see. First we will write here B, then O, then A, then T. Yes, we all get what we get here. What is this called here? This is called boat. B-O-A-T, boat. By framing this all the letters together, we get a word called boat. Moving to the fifth one. What is this? Tree. What is the first letter of a tree? T. What is this? This is here rose. पहला letter क्या है यहाँ पर? Rose का R. We write here R. Moving to the next. What is this? Ant. What is the first letter? पहला letter क्या है ant का? A. We'll write here A. Then igloo. What is the first letter of a igloo? पहला letter क्या है? I. Will write here I. Then what is the first letter of the net? What is this? Net. N-E-T. Net. First letter क्या है? N. Will write here N. When we join all these letters, we will get a word. We'll see here. What we'll write here? T R A I N. क्या मिला बच्चों हमें? कौन सा वर्ड मिला? ट्रेन. TRAIN, ट्रेन. हमने सब के जो वर्ड्स थे, सबके वर्ड्स के फर्स्ट लेटर्स लिखे हैं और उनको ऐड करके हमें न्यू वर्ड मिला है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रेन. मूविंग टू दी सिक्स्थ वन. व्हाट इज़ दिस? यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग दिस वेरी वेल. दिस इज़ टेंट. क्या है फर्स्ट वर्ड? व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट वर्ड? It's T. What is the next one? Rocket. What is the first word? R. Moving to the third one. What is this? You all must be knowing. Umpire. Okay, what is the first letter? क्या है पहला letter? U. What is the next one? Cabbage. What is the first letter? क्या है पहला letter? C. Then K. K for kite. Kite का first letter क्या है? K. When we add together all the letters, we get a new word. So here we going to add this. What is the first one? T R U C K. What is this? Truck. So student, did you all understand what is letters and what is words? लेटर्स ये है कि हमें अलग अलग लेटर्स को अगर हम देखते हैं तो उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? लेटर्स. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लेटर्स. और हमें वही लेटर्स में हम फ्रेम करते हैं वॉट एवर नेम, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग, कोई भी चीज़ों को लेके हम ऐड करते हैं. हम एक वर्ड बनाते हैं कि हम उन्हें बुला सकें. सो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे लेटर्स क्या होता है, वर्ड्स क्या होता है. सो moving to the fifth one. What is this? Fifth one. Fifth topic. Pictures and words. Same. वहाँ पर letters दिए गए थे तो हमें words बनाने थे. यहाँ पर आपको pictures दिया गया है और आपको words लिखना है. Okay? So we'll start from the exercise 1. Write under each picture the correct names from the list given below. Where are the list here? These are all the list here. क्या करना है आपको? आपको सबके पिक्चर्स देखना है कि पिक्चर में क्या क्या है और आपको उस पिक्चर्स को देख के करेक्ट नेम देना है. ओके, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? You have to see the picture and you have to write the correct name from the list given below. So here we go. What is the first one? It's a crow. What is the spelling of a crow? C-R-O-W, crow. Moving to the second one. What is this? This is boat. What is the spelling of a boat? B-O-A-T, boat. What is the third one? You all must knowing this. Yes, this is a dog. What is the spelling of a dog here? D-O-G, dog. What is the fourth one? Lamp. What is the spelling of a lamp? L-A-M-P, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. Moving to the fifth one. What is this? Yay! You must be knowing this. Rosy lips. What is this? Lips. What is the spelling of a lips? L-I-P-S, lips. What is the spelling of a lips? L-I-P-S, lips. What is the sixth one? This is bee, honey bee. You know all honey? Yes, honey is very sweet. And what is this? Bee. Honeybee. What is the spelling of a bee? B-E-E, bee. Moving to the next one. Seventh, rose. What is the spelling of a rose? Rose is a flower. What is the spelling of a rose here? R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. What is the eighth one? This is crab. And what is the spelling of a crab? C-R-A-B, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. What is the ninth one? Tiger. And what is the spelling of a tiger here? T-I-G-E-R, tiger. What is the spelling of a tiger? T-I-G-E-R. What is the 10th one? This is a basket. What is the spelling of a basket here? B-A-S-K-E-T. What is the spelling? B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. What is the 11th one? This is a car. And what is the spelling of a car? C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. What is the 12th one? This is pumpkin. What is this? Pumpkin. What is the spelling of a pumpkin? P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. What is the spelling? P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. What is the 13th one? Yours and my favorite, all's favorite, mango. What is the spelling of a mango? M-A-N-G-O. M-A-N-G-O, mango. 14th, duck. What is this? Duck. What is the spelling of a duck? D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. What is the 15th? This is eagle. And what is the spelling of a eagle? E-A-G-L-E, eagle. What is the spelling? E-A-G-L-E, eagle. What is this 16th one? Lion. And what is the spelling of a lion here? L-I-O-N, lion. What is the spelling? L-I-O-N, lion. So students, I think you understood very well and enjoyed the topic. So for the fourth topic, letters and words, you have to join the letters and you will get the words. And what is in fifth topic? There is a picture given below. Okay. So you have to write the correct name of the pictures. So student, you have to write all this assignment in your grammar book. And for the fifth topic, Same, we have to write all the assignment in your grammar book. So, students, till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.